Hi everyone, this is the second video of Paint.net tutorial, so make sure you have watched the previous videos. And in today's video, I'm gonna continue the tutorial of the Paint.net. And view, here we can see the view here. We click it and view can determine how the canvas shows on our screen. Zoom in means to make a closer look. In other words, it means the image seems to become bigger or closer. So zoom out is to cause a computer to make the image of something or someone appear smaller or farther away. We can also use the shortcut key, which is Ctrl+ or Ctrl- to change it. Another very convenient way to change it is that you can just hold the control and scroll your mouse, and very easy. And zoom to windows will make our canvas in the middle, or you can show it in the actual size. We can also call a ruler, which can make our work much more precisely. And the ruler can be in the pixels version, inches version, or centimeter versions. Just depends on you. And this is the end of today's video. If you have any questions, just comment down below, and hope you enjoy it. Bye!